Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to review Freetaxusa. So basically on this platform you're going to be able to file your taxes. So as you can see here, it's going to cost you $0 if you're doing your federal taxes, and if you're doing state taxes it's going to cost $15. So all you have to do is simply click on start. Now, after you do that, you're gonna have to create an account, or if you already have one, simply sign in, and then you're gonna be able to file in your taxes and everything. And as you can see, in our case, we still have 7 days left for the 2024 return. So basically, that's all you can do on this platform. As you can see here, if we scroll down, we can see different prices. So for all these plans, it's going to cost you $0 if you're not doing your state taxes. So only federal taxes is going to be $0. Now here you have other options like support. Maybe you don't know how you can do that, so you can ask them, and it's going to cost you extra $50. And basically that's it for today's video. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.